What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back and we're still in Vegas. We are still in Vegas. They do have a clearance store here. I haven't been to this clearance store in over a year. Let's go see what's up. Vegas Premium Outlets. Just a couple miles away from the strip. Do got a clearance store. We're gonna start with that. They also got a bunch of other sneaker shops. We'll hit them up as well. Nike clearance store. I'm so curious about a million things. There have been so many changes, but they've been regional. Not everybody's had to change it. I don't know. Let's go look around. Pretty good sized clearance store. If I remember, like their organization here was immaculate. All right, let's go. Let's go. See, this is what I'm talking about. Nike SBs all together. All the Witnesses all together. All those all together. Oh crap. All those all together. But yeah, I said all crap because I saw these, man. God dang it, dude. I've been looking for these on a discount. So the pricing scheme is similar to the one in LA. And I've been looking for these on a discount. I have. But 160, is that enough? Is that enough? That's what, 20% off? That's not bad. I'm gonna have to think about it. 20% off. You know what? Let's go try these on. And they got a ton here. Look, this is the size 10 section. They have a ton of them here. Like I said, I have been looking for these. Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to think about these. Dang it. Yeah, man. Dang. I have to think about it. Gonna have to think about it. They do fit. They do fit kind of big because this is size 10. They fit kind of like the sixes. But a little bit more narrow than the sixes, a little more narrow. But I can do these 10s. Might have to. I want a pair of 7s. I don't have any 7s, dude. All right, I'm thinking about it. So I'm checking the 10 navs to see if they have any here, just to see like how readily available they are. Sometimes they just get one shipment and they're hard to find. I don't see any Jordans in 10 navs. All right, back to the 10s. Dude got the white cement Jordan 37s. These are going for 80. And they also got the 36 right here, the Lucas. I do have these at home. And I went true to size on these at 10.5. And these are pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty dope. Of course I'm gonna say that because I already bought them, but these are pretty fire. Pretty much his last PE before his signature shoe came out. LeBrons, they're going down to $100. So seeing a lot of really good prices here. Got multiple LeBrons. This is his first colorway, right? Shoot, I forgot the name of that one. LeBron 19 lows finally dropping $70. Have they been 70? Because these are the lows. Maybe that's it. Got multiple colorways of those bad boys right there. Cosmic Unities. Got them in multiple colorways. $70. 3 different colorways. Oh, these are the 2s. My bad. 70 right there for those. And then another one of the 2s, Team Bank colorways, $70 for those. But look, it just keeps going. Multiple colors, 70. Another one for 70 right here. Even got 3s right here, go for $70. Okay. SB's got a bunch of the iShod wears going for $50. Multiple colorways. Oh, that's a Nyjah right there. But yeah, I got a bunch of them. Also got Blazers with these going for $40 for Blazers. Got multiple colorways of those as well. Moving to the 10.5, dude got Air More Up Tempos going for $80. Air Max 2090s going for 70, multiple colorways. Selection is pretty nice here. Got Griffeys going for $80. That's the only colorways. Then dude got a Jordan right here. This is an Elevate. Did these come out in men's? Isn't this women's? I don't know. But yeah, got those right there. Got Forces, mids right here going for 70. $130 for these right here. Zoom Generations, $150 for those right here. These are 10.5. Oh, they did have a couple Jordans in 10.5. I missed these right here. The Lucas, the Luka P36 is going for 70, $9.99, as well as these 36s as well. And then I got these, the hair colorway of the 37s, go for $80. Checking the smaller sizes, checking size 9 to help someone out with some shoes. Freaking $80 for those. Not bad. We've just seen them for cheaper here and there. Multiple colorways of the Infinity Run Flyknits going for $80. Got Vomeros right here, just not that much of a selection. 70 for those. Pegasus 39's going for $60. 37's also going for $60. You would think those are cheaper. Turbo Next Nature's going for 70. Got a ton of Prestos going for 70. Multiple colorways. These are down to 60. Got LeBrons, these are going for 70. More Witness 6s going for 50. Got Del Dons right here. These are going for $50. Look at how many Jordan 1 AJKOs there are. $110 for these. And look at how many of them there are. Holy cow. $110. I guess with the new pricing scheme, just things just aren't moving off the shelves like that. All right, moving up to size 11. Do got the Rex Kwandos here. They call them the Kwandos, but they remind me of the Rex Kwando fighting system for Napoleon Dynamite. Just funny. But yeah, $150 for those. Way too much. Blazer lows going for $50. I feel like we've seen a million of these here. This one actually does have the sticky Nike signs, because half of the times those are gone. Regular Blazer lows going for $50 as well. 2 pair of 36s. We've seen that pretty much in all the other sizes. Got Comforts right here going for $120. Starting to see a lot more LeBron 20s, and they are going for $100. Size 12 Prestos getting better, $60. Got these mids going for $70. Bukunis in multiple colorways. You rarely ever see these. They got them in multiple colorways, $60. Third one right here. Got Hirachis. These going for what? $60 as well. Got these Ambush Adjust Force going for $170. Did they make they made a Air Force One split? I know they made the Dunk that way with the Chicagos. I didn't know that they made an Air Force One like that as well. $70 for those. They also got these weird MMW slides or moccasins, whatever the hell they are. Yeah, these are definitely interesting. These are going for what? $150 for these. Weird things right there. Got some AJKOs right here. Those are going for $110. And then also got the Hachimura. Oh, the Tatums, my bad. The Tatum colorway going for $100. 13, they got pretty much the exact same as the 12. The 14s right here got the ACG Water Cats going for $60. These weird things. Got mids right here going for $110. 37 lows down to $80. More of these things right here. More of these things right here. Zoom Generations. These going for $150. Size 15s right here. At that price, that's interesting. Do get the why not. 0.5 is going for $60. Like a lot of the same stuff. Dude got the Air Forces right here with that extra age color midsole, $60. Got the Inside Outs right here, go for $110. That is a size 17. 16s right here go for $60. $150 for the Air Force One Off-White collab. Dude got the Bordeaux 5 cents, size 17, go for $180. $80 for these, size 17. Even got these. Yeah, if I was that guy, I would totally clickbait you guys. $100 for these size 18s. But I won't do it. I won't do it. And they got these going for $100 as well. Kind of similar to the freaking what is it called? The Ross, right? I don't think I showed what I'm wearing. But yeah, I'm gonna be on my feet a ton this weekend. I am here for a comedy festival, Skank Fest. So I'm gonna be on my feet a ton. So I did get some comfortable shoes. These are Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, I believe. These are the 3s, kind of in a Laker colorway. Yeah, because it does match most of my Lakers gear. Did wear a Magic jersey. You really can't go wrong with that. I wore cargo shorts because I think you can carry a bunch of beer in the pockets. I don't think they check pockets, so we'll find out. All right, I did think about it. I'm gonna chill on these 7s. I'm gonna chill. I think I'm gonna find them. I'm gonna find them on sale somewhere. I'm gonna chill on them. Yeah, I really want them, but I'm gonna chill, man. My finances just ain't there. I don't want to put it on my credit card. I'm gonna chill. Damn, watch, I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna be like, dang it, I should have grabbed it, should have grabbed it. All right, let's check out apparel, see what's up here. Jordan flight jacket, $40, normally $125. Size smalls. Is this tech fleece? Or is this just that recycled material? $40 for these, normally $120. Got some Therma fit right here. This is a double XL, going for $40, normally $125. And then got a bunch of these going for $70. Jordan brand right here. What school is this though? CLT? Is that a school? Is that, I don't know, some organization. $30 for these. What team? It's an NBA team because I see NBA apparel. I don't know. I don't know what team that is. Why am I tripping? Charlotte or something? Medium hoodie. $20 for a medium hoodie. This is a thinner one, though. Not the ones that I like, but still not bad. I have a work jacket here. It's like a windbreaker. Normally 100 down to 30. Super thin. I'm a fan of these hoodies right here. These are the super thick ones. I do have this gray one right here. And yeah, these are $30. Normally 90. These are smalls though. But they got it in medium. This is the one that I have. I did grab it for $30. I ain't paying no 80 bucks, fools. LeBron hoodie right here going for 30. That's an XL. Jordan pullovers. These are XL, so $30. Normally 90 bucks. This is thinner than a hoodie though. Dude got the waffle cut fries. Going for 25 bucks. That is a small, normally 65. Kind of random. D True hoodies. These are going for what, $25? These are all smalls. Fools just landing and they want to hit up the Nike outlet. I know how that feels because that's me too. 65 down to 25. These are larges right here. Nike basketball or baseball, my bad, 20 bucks for those. And grew up to this Brandy song. This was fire. But yeah, $40. Normally 75 for these. Is this tech fleece? I don't know. I don't think it's tech fleece, but it does have the ventilation and stuff like that. It's just super thin, man. Like I'm used to this type of stuff. I actually have this at home. How much is it going for here? See if I overpaid. Ooh, 40 down to 20. I don't know how much I paid. I don't even know. I'm like, ooh, because but yeah, these are going for 40. These, why do these look like women's shorts? I swear these look like women's shorts. Kind of like a skirt type of short. I don't know. Do dudes wear that stuff too? I don't know. Got these right here. These are nice. Fleece shorts right here. It just has the OG Nike logo on it. 25 down from 65. Ton of t-shirts going for $10. Got backpacks going for 20. These are the generic backpacks though. Like these normally are 65. I don't know who, or 55. I don't know who would pay 55 for those. Kind of a rip off. But they do got those. Got a bunch of people here with their luggage on. I see all, or luggage on them. Yeah, I've seen that quite a bit. I think I might hit up a couple more shops. I don't really see anything too crazy. Nice fleece jacket right here. This fleece is like hella thick. $40, normally $110. Doya shirt? Is that Doya shirt? Yeah, this is a medium. $15, normally $35. Got no-show socks. 3 pairs going for 10 bucks. And there's a reminder, all sales are final here. That's pretty much how all the clearance stores work now. They do got Jordan Hydro slides. I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can here. All right, that one doesn't even have a price tag in it. $30 for these, smaller sizes though. Then got Tiger Woods hats, other random Nike hats. What are these going for? Tiger Woods hats going for $15. Then got the Nike Air. Yeah, the Air slides right here down to $40. These are size 15. They have a size 13 right here though. These are more regular size. But yeah, these are going for $40. Those are normally like 70, 80 bucks. Then they got the 2020, the Air Max 2020 slide right here. They call it the circle size. 25 for these. Okay. I kind of do like these backpacks. They don't really fit too much. You really can't fit too much in here, but I kind of like the air thing right there. Kind of fire. $80 though. $160 normally, down to 80 bucks. I think that's about it, dude. That's about it. Like I said, you see the Metro PD right there. I'm telling you, every Nike out here does have Metro PD. Kind of interesting. All right, we're gonna hit up some other sneaker shops in another video, but hey, there is a finish line. Let's look around here. We have a Nike outlet next door. Bunch of Nikes for regular price if you want that here. That's kind of weird. At least they have a little sales section right here. $30 for these shorts. Prices ain't that great though. Oh, these are some super nice Nike shorts right here, normally 75 down to 55 though. Still not the greatest price. They do have a last chance section, clearance section, sale section, whatever the hell they call it, because it's always different. Every place that we've been to, I was like, they got these, but yeah, it's regular price. Damn you. Oh, here it is the last size section. So, oh, these are 80 bucks at least. Okay. So yeah, stuff here doesn't even mean it's on sale. There are slight sales for most of the stuff, but yeah, it's kind of whatever. They do got the Airmore Tempo slides though. I freaking love this colorway. I want this colorway. $85. I'm definitely not paying $85. Dang it, when Chic had these on sale, I should have grabbed them. They had it on sale for, I think it was what, 80, and then you get it, what? I think it was like 60, then 20% off. I don't know. I feel dumb for not getting them. That happens. I hope it doesn't happen with the Cardinal 7s that I just did, but like I said, my financial situation, not the greatest right now. It is weird seeing these, the Solutions, because we've been seeing a ton of these at Ross. That is funny. 50 bucks right here. Trying to see how big the small is. All the other shops I want to hit up, they're on the other end of the mall. Damn, I might want to drive to the other side. Dang. Did I even show Fremont Street? I don't know if everybody's been to Fremont Street. Downtown Las Vegas. Do have a huge light board up top. Got a bunch of casinos, Four Queens, Fremont. Got the Golden Nugget and the Plaza in the back over there. Oh, also the D. There's the D right there. Have a huge zip line. There's actually a short one and a long one up top. And then you got girls that you can take pictures with. They'll ask for donations and that type of stuff. Then you got a ton of riffraff right here, asking for donations, that type of stuff. You can pay money to take pictures with Chippendale dancers if that's your thing. You can do that. Also got a bunch of street vendors. You can buy some paintings. Cigars right here. Street performers right here. And then also Binion's. That is where they had the World Series of Poker. I don't think they have it there anymore, but it was there for forever, pretty much. Oh, I forgot about Circa. My bad, you guys. Circa, one of the big hotels out here. Then this crackhead lady, I've seen her like 4 times just walking around and stuff like that. And then the ABC store. Did I show myself getting some of them freaking Spam Musubis earlier? I don't know, but this is the ABC store, primarily in Hawaii. Freaking love these stores. A bunch of souvenirs, stuff like that. The souvenirs are actually pretty cheap, not too bad. And then they also got Spam Musubis. Now I gotta get a couple Spam Musubi, 2 for $5. So I'm gonna have to grab a couple. That's my lunch. They got the Portuguese sausage one too. You know, I gotta go grab those. So I got one of those and one of the Spams. That's what's up. This is one of the few places that actually has alcohol on Fremont Street. That's not a bar. And look at that. They have a stupid rule. That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Look at that thing. If you can read that, you're not allowed to drink this on Fremont Street. That's so stupid. Everybody drinks on Fremont Street.